In 2025, the art of audio transcription has evolved significantly thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence. But what exactly is audio transcription, and how can AI enhance this process? Let's explore some of the most popular AI tools available for audio transcription in 2025, specifically designed to offer fast and accurate results. Here's a step-by-step guide to effectively use AI for audio transcription, ensuring you achieve the most accurate results possible. To maximize accuracy, it is crucial to prepare your audio files appropriately. Let's discuss some best practices you should follow. While AI transcription is remarkably advanced, understanding its accuracy and limitations is key to leveraging its full potential. AI audio transcription is being utilized across various industries, from education to healthcare, showcasing its versatility and importance. Once you have your transcription, it's essential to edit and refine the AI-generated text to ensure accuracy and clarity. Looking beyond 2025, we'll discuss potential trends in AI audio transcription and how they could reshape the way we interact with audio data. Let's address some common FAQs about AI audio transcription to clear up any uncertainties you may have. In conclusion, leveraging AI for audio transcription in 2025 not only enhances our workflow, but also opens new avenues for productivity and creativity.